Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Cloudbook channel, and today I'm going to explain how to deploy one for all web application with AWS Amplify and AWS Lambda, and finally we are using AWS SNS simple notification service to get the details if someone clicks on contact me form. Okay, if someone applies something and you will get the details to your mail automatically. And this is the application we are going to deploy, and you will see like this. And if you click on start learning and you will go here, and I will provide you complete template and you can change these all details, so whatever you want. So you can change this image and everything. So this is already deployed on Amplify, so AWS will host this without any server. Okay, you can click on view portfolio, so you can see my all details. So whatever projects I worked on and everything, you can see my skills, projects and everything here. So these are the projects I worked on: cloud code review, rundeck, document show, Kenner, library chart. So these are all things I worked on. And if you click on contact me, and you can get my details as well here. If you provide details, click on send, I will get those details. And if you want to talk with me, schedule a call. But before that, you have to do one thing. Go to here, builder.aws. I will give you the link in the description as well. And all I need you is just like this post. So create an account, sign in, and like this particular blog page. Okay. So this is on part of developer challenge I'm getting. That's why I want your like so I can win the challenge. Okay. So all you have to do is sign in to this builder center and like this particular post, and you can read all the blogs. So this is all 7 days challenge I am doing. So this is the day 7, and I will explain everything in a simple format for you. Okay. So all you need is a simple GitHub repository. You send to this mail that you already liked it, and whatever your profile name and everything, I will get the notification. I will check it and I'll contact with you. Okay. Here you can schedule the call as well. And come back here, and if you go here, all you need is a GitHub repository. So this is the template I am providing for you, and it contains everything, the same site, same website, and you have to do some changes. I will explain as well. And first go to here, and you have to search for AWS Amplify. Okay, so go here, and I wrote all the blogs in the builder AWS center, and you can go there. So since you are going to my profile, you can see all the blogs here. Okay, and if you come here, and this is my profile, and if you go down, and here you can find all the blogs. Okay, 7 day blogs and everything, you can follow them as usual. And this is the one I deployed. It's presently running, and we need to create a new application. So create a new app, and where our application is deployed, or where we pushed our code into the GitHub, you can push it to Bitbucket, code commit, or GitLab, anything up to you. And I'm using GitHub, so just click on it, and you can just click on next. That's it, nothing else you have to do. And AWS Amplify will ask you to authorize to your repository. And if you want to update GitHub permission, so I will show you. And I want to update, so it will ask you permission like this, and you have to enter two-factor authentication if you already enabled for your GitLab account or GitHub account. Okay, so this is the one, and here I gave access to only one repository, that is 7 for all, one for Ajay, that one. And I'm giving access to all the one, but it's saying this is in danger, so that's why you have to give the same thing, select only for repositories. And I'll cancel this, and I'll select repository, and I will use template, this one. So this is how you have to select. You have to authorize, and you can select this one, only select the repositories, and only select the repositories and give access to only one repository, that is this one, and click on save. Okay, that's it, nothing else you have to do. Okay, so this is done. You can just close this, and you can just, it will reload, and if you click on it, and you will get that template YouTube one for all. So it will automatically pick up the branch. You can add main as well, and click on next. So no need to add anything. If you want to change the app name, you can change it. I'll just keep it as it is, and click on next. So you can just review and save and deploy application. Okay, so this is the new one we are deploying. So you will find the difference as usual, and it will take some time to deploy your application. It's same as like a GitHub action. So whenever you do some changes in your particular GitHub repository, it will detect and it will automatically deploy here. Okay, so when you do use the GitHub Actions, it will do the same thing, right? So whenever you change some particular file, it will automatically detect and it will pull the latest code and it will deploy. So it's like automated. So you don't need to do anything. If you want to add a custom domain, you can add it. So you have to do Route 53 and you have to go add some certificates there. So like that, there is different process, but we are just learning how to deploy simple application with HTTPS. And this is the domain you will get. So it's still deploying. And if you click on it and you can see it here and build the duration, how much time it's taking and all, it's still deploying. So because it is the first time, so it will take some time, like nearly 1 minute. So you can see it 1 minute 1 second, and it's already deployed here, and you can see the data here, deployment is completed, and you can see everything same as your same build content and all. Okay, so if you click on this and you will get your application. Okay, done. Nothing else you have to do. But if you go to contact me, this will not work. This page will not work. So you have to do Lambda and SNS function for that. Okay, come back here and you can see it here. So what is the difference? Okay. So this is the template and you have to change these all details and you have to update your image here, and you can change this content as well if you want to, and anything you can at the bottom you can change mail and why it's different. Okay, if you go here and I have everything. So if you click on practice exam, you have a quiz here. So start quiz, and this is for AWS learning. Okay, just end quiz. That's it. Boom, you will get the details. Okay, you can use it for anything. Okay, you can use the webinars and you can join the course, and you can see webinars. I added here list, same as the DevSecOps projects, Kubernetes. So AWS Amplify is done. Okay, so we deployed the application, but let's make sure we have the SNS topic to get the any contact from someone fills the content, we have to get the details. Okay, so let's take the duplicate tab. Why we are using this means this is one kind of production level project you can showcase in your resume as well. Okay, and for this one you have to go to SNS. So this is simple one, simple notification service, and here I already have one and I can create a new one. So this is the one for all, and what I will do, I will click on create for new or create a topic. So come to standard and I'll give YouTube name. So you can give anything here. This is optional. You can give YouTube as well, and done. Nothing else you have to do. Like if you, these are all optional. You can see optional, 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 optional. Okay, click on create topic. Done. Nothing else. You just go to SNS, create a topic. Done, and click on create subscription here. So it will automatically pick up one ARN. Just copy this and save it somewhere else. So it will useful for the later purpose. Okay. So what I am doing, I am keeping it here. Okay, I'll keep it as it is. So all you have to do is copy this topic ARN. Okay, don't forget this, copy it. And here in the protocol, you have to select the email. Okay, don't forget this is the email you have to select and give your email. Okay, so I am just giving my mail, gmail.com. So that's it. And you can just click on subscription. So this is pending. Okay, so you have to go to your email here. Okay, so if you refresh and you will get one mail, it will send you one details, or you can go to spam folder. Sometimes it will go to the spam as well. Okay, it's still not coming, but okay, I just got it. I think, see, YouTube AWS notification. So you can just click on confirm subscription. So that this is done. If you come here and just reload it, and sometimes what it will say, it will delete, you have to again add again. See, this is now confirmed. Okay, so port box is confirmed, and you can see it here if you go to the topics. So this is the YouTube, and here display name is done and all done. And if you click on publish message, just hello test, and that is done. And just click on hello and just publish message. Make sure it's you are receiving the mail. Okay, and you come back, you will get the mail here. Okay, so it will take some time, but you will get the mail. So we will do that. So this is done. So you have to see that this is confirmed. So you have to confirm the subscription. Otherwise, it will not get any kind of notification. And you can see that allow test. We got this. Okay. So let's go here. So we created the SNS topic that is done. And finally, we have is Lambda function. So before creating the Lambda, so we have to create some policies. And I have this documentation here. And I'll provide if you give the like to my blog there. And you can receive it on your email. Okay. So next what you have to do, this is done. So configure the IAM permissions. Okay, let's go and create a policy and come back here. And in the search bar, you have to search IAM. So click on IAM here and you will have to come here. This is the IAM dashboard. And here there is one policy. You have to click on policies here. So these are the all policies that you created, you have already. So this is the one I created and I want to create a new policy. So click on create policy and you can select the as well policy editor. You can use visible or JSON. So let's go with visible only and search for SNS and select SNS. Okay. And then next you have to search for publish. Okay. So check this box, done. And next you have to click add ARNS. Okay. See here, this is the one. Click on it and click text. Okay. This is the one. And here come back. So this is the one we saved it, right? So copy this. This is the what we needed. So this is important. Okay. Copy this ARN and come back and paste it here and add ARN. Okay. So this is the all you have to do and click on next and just give it a name and I have to give YouTube policy. That's it. Great policy. See, I have two policies now, which is one for all. So that is old one. We created a new policy that is YouTube. Okay, this is the YouTube policy. Okay, so this is done. And if you come down, you can get these steps. Okay, if you like this already. So I just gave this and you have to nothing to do with it. And if you follow the same steps what I am doing, that is enough. And yeah, great policy. Next, we have to create a one single role. Okay, go back here and click on roles. So create a role. So AWS service, select this one, trusted entity type and use case, use Lambda. So this is the one we need and click on next. Okay, so we have to attach two policies here and that is YouTube policy. So we have created, right? So select this policy. This is the first policy you have to select. So whatever policy you created, select that one. And next one, you have this one. Okay. If you go down, I just provided here. So just copy this AWS Lambda basic role. Okay. So come back to here and paste it and you will get it AWS Lambda basic execution role. Select this and click on next. So you will get like this. And this is the policies. We attach two policies and give it a name. So I just give YouTube. Okay. So this is it. Okay, create role. So it will take some time. So role is created, YouTube role. Okay. So create policy. This is done. Okay. Role is created and let's go with the Lambda function. Now we have to create a Lambda function. Okay. Search for Lambda. Okay. Click on it. So before that, let's see. Where is this? I think this is the one we created, right? Home. So I want to make sure. So if you click on contact me, ajay cloud @ gmail, cloud book, phone number, anything random, collaboration, hi, hello, and send message. Okay, so it is will says done, but you will not receive any mail here. Okay, see, you are not getting any mails. So that is the way. That's why we created the SNS function there. Now we are creating the Lambda function. Okay, so here we are using AWS Amplify, SNS, Lambda, one IAM policy, one IAM role. Okay, this is a big project. So to gain more resumes, okay, like more calls from your resume as well. Okay, create a function. So and just other from scratch. Okay, give it a name. I'll just give YouTube. And here runtime you can select Python 3.13 and 8664. And here change default execution role. Use an existing role. So what we created? We created a YouTube role, right? So this is the use. We created the role. Okay, that's it. Next, create function. So here you have to add one simple code. Okay, so click on dismiss. So all you have to do is simple thing here, and I will explain. So what you have to change and everything. Okay. So first of all, delete everything, whatever you have. And if you go down, I have added some code here. Okay. Just copy this. Okay. Come up slowly. Okay. Import. This is Python code. It's needed for sending your mails. Okay. So done. Nothing else you have to do. So you have to add your topic here. Okay. SNS. See 51 line, or we can go from starting as well. So here you have to add your Amplify URL. Okay, first let me delete it and I'll get the Amplify URL. Okay, so just remove this and copy this. Okay, this is the Amplify URL. So whatever you deploy it, right? Amplify. So or you can come here and this is the domain. Just right click, copy link and go to the AWS Lambda and line 26. Okay, place it and remove slash. Okay, and here 51 26 51, and here you have to change the ARN. Okay, come back. So sorry, it's in here only. So I'll just go up and I'll just copy this ARN. Okay, this is the use of ARN. So that's why I asked you to copy it and save it somewhere else. Okay, so this is done. And again, you have to add the Amplify URL. Okay, right click, copy link. See here 26 and 51, and the next here and in the line 60. So just go paste it and remove slash and again in the 71. Okay, that's it. Okay, so just save it and click on deploy. Okay, so you will see here at the bottom you will get deploying code. See, successfully updated the function YouTube. Okay, this is done. So we added code and everything. Now here in this configuration, okay, go to configuration and click on function URL. So this is all we need. Okay, so create a function URL and here select none. Okay, you will get additional settings here bottom. Click on additional settings, configure this, and here remove it and add your amplify URL. Okay, don't forget it. Add your amplify URL and here allow headers. So you have to type content. I'll just add it here. So for your better reference, if you go down and here, okay, allow headers, copy this and sorry, paste it. So this is the one you have to do. So click on none, additional settings, configure cross original, and you have to give your amplify application URL domain, okay, and content type and post you have to select here, okay. So allow methods you have to select post and click on save. Okay, see this is created. So here you will get one function URL. Okay, okay, just copy this URL. Okay, all you have to do is copy this URL and come to here. So you will have your code, right? So this is the code I'm using. So what I have to do is I have to go bottom up to my code and I have to find where I have to update this URL. Okay, here you can see that in line 225 I just have to paste it. Okay, save it. And what I have to do, I will use terminal. So don't forget contact.html. Okay, clone this repository, use this contact.html and update the line at 225. Okay, so add the function URL of Lambda. Okay, so what I have to do, git add contact.html, git commit -m fix added function URL. So what I will do is I'll just directly push it. Okay, push origin main. Okay, so it will directly go to my application here. Okay, so I just updated it. If I refresh it, so I don't do anything. So if you see here, this is the added function URL now, and I'll just come here. So amplify, and and if you reload this page, it will automatically pick up the new job because we have new changes, right? So you will take some time. So it will pick up the job and it will run. Okay, you can see that. So what we added function URL. So it's picking the latest one. Okay. So what I have to do here, this is our code. It's working fine. We don't need to do anything. So all is done. Okay. Once this is deployed, okay, new code is pushed and everything is there. You have to be ready to test we are getting the mail or not. See, last time we sent it, we didn't get any mail, right? Okay. So now we will see it whether we are getting or not. And if you don't know, I will use this one only. Okay. So still deploying, and I'll close this. Okay. World one, and you can see that deployment. New, this is deployed, and if I click on it, so this is the template I'm using. Okay. See it. This is the template, not my original one. So click on contact me. What I have to do is I have to add my name. So cloud@gmail.com. This is also cloud book. So random number. I'll select technical question. Hello, done, and send message. Okay. So you see that success. I'll reach out to you within 12 hours. And if you go to your post box, then this is ChatGPT. So ignore it, and you can see that contact form. See, I received the contact form. See what I messaged. Hello, right? Technical question low, and this is the cloud@gmail.com. And you can see that 0 minutes ago. Okay, so this is how you have to deploy this particular website easily without any issue. Okay, so this is the one for all. Everyone easily deploy it, update on your resume, and you will get the calls. We are using best serverless application without any issue. Okay, so let's see how we can delete it. So let's go here. So all you have to do is functions, select the YouTube function, action, delete it, confirm. Just confirm it. So that is deleted. So next what we created, SNS. Okay, go there. So we'll go here, simple notification service. So I have the two topics. So what I have to do, I have to select the YouTube one. This is newly created, and I'll just click on delete. Delete me. Enter. So that is done. So next I created the subscription. So that is this one. So post box, right? I'll just delete it. Okay, that is done. So next we created a IAM policy. Go to IAM, and what we have to do, go to the policies first of all, and we have created a YouTube policy. So select it, delete it, and you have to give YouTube IAM policy and delete. Then and next what we have created roles. So YouTube role, delete it, and give YouTube, delete. So the role is deleted and function is deleted and everything deleted. Only left is this application. Okay. So go to here. So you see that if you click on all application, so we have two, and this is the main one, YouTube template we created. So click on it and go to app settings and general settings and delete app. And you can just provide delete, and that's it. Okay. So this is deleted and this is my main application. And if you refresh this, it will not work because we already deleted the application, we deleted everything. So this is the template, you can use it. And if you face any issues, use this blog and like this blog. So we'll get more compatibility and visibility to others so they can also try. Okay. So this is the working one, and I'll just provide this application as well. So you can come and contact once you click on that like button. Okay, don't forget to like this particular article. This is the main article you have to like. Okay, so if you like it, so we are ready to talk with you. Okay, so I hope you understand this video and feel free to reach out to me. So we will help you with the new project. Thank you for watching the video and keep on supporting to Mr. Cloudbook channel.